friends, how art thou today? Doing pretty dandy myself. I hope you guys are all having an amazing St. Patty's Day. Probably did all your celebratory activities yesterday, but I hope today was just as dandy and y'all had some corned beef deliciousness, drinking, or anything that makes your Patty's Day good. So, today's video is going to be a very special video where we ask the question, is it worth it? So, the product that we have here is the GLAMFIELD Automatic Soap Dispenser, which I'm pretty stoked to use, actually. This was sent to us by our friends at GLAMFIELD because they want us to check it out and test it and see if it's worth it or not. Now, the reason why I'm excited for this is because when doing dishes or washing my hands and stuff like that, I always get sketched out by the idea that my greasy, beefy, gross hands, like covered in beef juice or bacon or whatever, are grabbing said soap and contaminating the bottle. Now, I haven't died yet, so I'm okay, but nonetheless, it's still kind of sketchy. So anyways, we're going to open this bad boy up. So a couple of the features, obviously, it's they're really pushing the point that it's very sturdy and that it's very resistant and it's suitable for all kinds of different environments, and it's moisture and temperature resistant. Looking at all this right here, they got a lot of different features on the front there. Whoa. So anyways, let's open this bad boy up, and I have some regular dish soap here. Why, yes, that's the cheap Ajax. I do not care. I am a huge fan of lemon. I used to use Method dish soap. It was very expensive, very fancy, but I like that lemon flavor, lemon scent from the cheap kind. So let's pop this bad boy open and take a look. So it's going to be a very simple video today. We're literally going to just open her up, test it out, see how we like it, because we know how soap feels, and then we're going to go from there. I'm really hoping that it has batteries with it. If not, I'm going to have to go hunt some down and we're going to have a multi-clips. Alright, battery installation, fill dispenser with liquid soap, switch on, start to work, volume adjusting. Alright. Coo. Alright. It's kind of cool. Alright, I don't know what the heck that does, but alright, GLAMFIELD. It's got a nice feel to it, very futuristic-y. And unfortunately, no batteries. Even worse, they're AAA's. Ah! Alright, so I'll be back here in a few minutes and we will have batteries in this. Alright, we are back. Got the batteries, so let's plug these bad boys in here. Alright, let's see. At first I was bummed when I saw AAA because I thought I didn't have any, but then I realized I had a giant freaking pack of them, so we're solid there. Oh man, I'm so bad with lids. I know that's the dumbest thing you guys have probably heard in a long time, but I'm really bad with lids. You can tell. Oh, wait, no. I'm still trying to put the lid on. This is ridiculous. All right. Why is it so complicated? All right, maybe just go like down like this. I'm really still doing a lid right now. This is crazy. Do I have? All right, we did it. That was the lid. Okay. So now we need to fill the dispenser. Okay, so it goes like this. And then, okay, so we gotta do this here. It's like so. Does that stay there? Okay. Oh, they gave us a $2 surprise card for something. I don't know. Alright, so let's check out the instructions here. Alright, so that goes in on top. That's the funnel, probably just so you can pour it on in. And then you pour some in. Oh yeah, you take that off, you switch on, you're good. So we're just gonna like squirt some in. Like so. That should be enough. Yeah. Now I am going to lower the camera down here so you guys can see a little closer. Whoop. Alright, cool. Maybe a little lower? Alright. Alright, so we got it here. Soap has been put in, and you basically just put the lid here. Oh no. It's another lid. 16 hours later. I mean, this entire video is going to be just straight lids, I imagine. I'm good enough with that. Power is on. Okay. Oh, alright. Alright. So we just got the soap in here. I forgot I got no water. Okay. Oh, that's a lot of soap. Alright, so yeah, that poured out a lot. Right here. Okay. Alright, we're gonna go one more. Let's see. Maybe there's an adjust. It says volume. Oh, volume adjustment. Okay, I got it. So let's get it to the single drop. I thought it was like the noise of the actual machine, but it's actually the volume, as in how much soap you need. So we put it to 1 drop now. That's awesome. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to stop this video and wash my hands, and we're gonna come back and we're gonna review. All right, give me a sec. All right, we're back. So yeah, I made quite a mess there, but again, so this is the product. I still haven't got the lid back. Oh God, okay, yeah, you got to turn that off. Dang it! Ah, now I got soap all over my hands. All right, so anyways, yeah, it's good now. Power's off. This is it right here. Not too bad, not too bad. Ooh, yeah. All right, so the question you guys are all wondering, while I have soapy hands, is it worth it? Yes, absolutely. So again, I get sent products. If they're not worth it, I'm going to tell you right off the bat they're not worth it. This one is. It's $29.99. I'll throw the Amazon link in there for you in the bottom. The soap is really throwing off my vibe. But I absolutely love this product. I'm going to put it on my sink. It's probably going to be one of the most used products I've ever had from an Is It Worth It review. Just because when I'm washing dishes and stuff like that, now I can just stick my sponge right on there and you know, constantly get more soap to wash dishes and stuff like that. Or just get soap to clean my hands. I don't have to feel so sketchy and gross anymore. Plus, it is a really sleek design. It'll go right on my counter and people will be like, oh, that's cool. I might even get a second one for my bathroom as well. But I definitely like this product. I'm going to rank it a 9 out of 10. The only thing that I knock it down for is the construction is like more of like a plastic, and it made me feel like it was going to be like stainless steel or some sort of metal or something. But it seems extremely durable, and I won't be able to test the resistances of it for a while, but I do like it actually. So anyways, I will throw the link in the description so you guys can check it out. I'll see if they have any discount codes for you guys. If not, you're SOL. But if they are, they'll be there. I'd like to thank you guys all for checking out the video. We're going to have more videos coming up on Thursday and Sunday. We have some munch packs we got to, unboxings we got to do. Got to get a special guest star for that. And we'll have some more Is It Worth It? We got quite a few products coming in that we'll be checking out as well. And I'll probably throw another keto review or keto information video up as well. So we're going to have a busy week this week, but it's going to be good content. Anyways, I'd like to thank you guys all for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And I will see you guys all on Thursday, meow.